You won't believe how much these AI geniuses are getting paid. We are talking about individual paychecks that could buy private islands. And yes, this is really happening right now in Silicon Valley. What if I told you that Meta is literally throwing around $200 million, not for a building, not for equipment, but for individual people? Today, we are diving into the wildest talent war Silicon Valley has ever seen, and it's all about building super intelligence. Picture this in 2025, Mark Zuckerberg realizes he is in the fight of his life. ChatGPT is dominating conversations. Google has Gemini, and everyone's talking about AGI, artificial general intelligence. But Mark, he's got a different vision. He doesn't just want to compete, he wants to build super intelligence. So, what does a billionaire CEO do when he meets the smartest people on the planet? He doesn't just post job listings on LinkedIn. No. He starts personally emailing the world's top AI researchers with offers that sound more like lottery winnings than salaries. Let me break down these numbers for you. Let's start with regular Meta software engineers. E3 make around $193,000 in total compensation. Senior engineers E5 can earn up to $466,000 and staff engineers E7 can pull in 1.1 to 1.6 million dollars annually. That's already really good money, right? But here's where things get interesting. The super intelligence team. These AI researchers start at $2 million per year minimum. That's just their baseline. Most people on this team are earning 10 to 20 million dollars annually. And the top recruits, we're looking at 200 to 300 million dollars in total compensation packages. Now, here's the important detail. These massive packages aren't annual salaries. They're spread over 3 to 4 years and heavily weighted toward Meta stock performance. So, if Meta stock does well, these researchers get rich. If not, well, it's still a lot of money, but not quite private island money. Just to put this in perspective, Meta offered former Apple engineer Roming Pan over $200 million to join their team. That's his total package over several years. But we're still talking about life changing wealth. Here's where it gets really interesting. Zuckerberg himself has been personally emailing job offers to elite talent. One AI researcher said they literally got an email from Mark that just said, I have an offer for you. Imagine checking your inbox and seeing Mark Zuckerberg in your 100 messages. Your heart would probably skip a beat, right? But it's not just emails. Zuckerberg has been personally leading recruiting for the team of about 50 people and has even rearranged Meta's offices so the new hires sit near him. This guy literally moved desks around so he could be closer to his AI dream team. Now, this isn't happening in a vacuum. There's a full blown talent war happening between Meta and OpenAI. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, is fighting back, trying to keep his researchers from jumping ship to Meta's golden parachutes. Reports of $200 million and $300 million compensation packages are rattling the valley. We are talking about compensation levels that are making even other tech billionaires do double takes. Now let's get real for a second about these numbers. Meta's top executives are also earning massive compensation. Mark Zuckerberg made $27.22 million in 2024. CTO Andrew Bosworth earned $23.49 million in 2023. And CEO Javier Olivan pulled in $25.56 million. Plus, Meta just increased executive bonuses to 200% of base salary this year. So while these AI researchers might get larger total packages over multiple years, the executives are getting their big paychecks annually. But here's the twist. Despite these incredible offers, many top AI researchers are actually saying no to Meta. Some are concerned about Meta's AI vision, others about the company's recent setbacks, like delayed Llama 4 model that didn't meet expectations. Also, remember, these aren't exactly signing bonuses you get on your first day. These are complex compensation packages with performance targets tied to Meta stock price and extended vesting schedules. But why is Meta throwing around this kind of money? It's not just about prestige, it's about survival. Zuckerberg believes that whoever builds super intelligence first will control the next phase of human technological evolution. And Meta needs to catch up fast. Their Llama 4 model failed to meet expectations earlier this year, and their Behemoth model launch got postponed due to functionality issues. This is why Zuckerberg is personally leading recruitment and even rearranging offices so these new AI stars sit near him. Plus, Meta is promising these researchers access to incredible resources. We are talking about multi gigawatt data centers and over 340,000 specialized AI chips. When you are trying to build super intelligence, you need both the smart people and the most powerful computers on earth. Here's the crazy part. While most of us are worried about our monthly rent, these are people out there turning down $200 million job offers because they already have better deals elsewhere. It's like living in two different worlds, isn't it? So, what does this all mean for the rest of us? Well, it shows just how seriously tech companies are taking AI development. The future is literally being built right now by teams of incredibly smart people earning incredibly large paychecks. Whether Meta strategy works or not, one thing's for sure, the race to build super intelligence is real. It's expensive and it's happening right now. What do you think? Are these salaries justified or has Silicon Valley completely lost touch with reality? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this story as wild as I did, smash that subscribe button for more tech stories that sound too crazy to be true, but totally are.